Hello dear students, I Abhinav Sir welcome you all in this faculty driven platform. In this video, I will be discussing about the number of seats in the HPCL exam pattern. These two things you might be already knowing. Apart from that guys, I will be telling you the complete cutoff of HPCL 2023 written exam along with the cutoff, along with the weightage analysis of last 3 years in which subject, what are the number of questions generally asked in the HPCL exam. And then guys, in 2023, when the exam was conducted on 23rd of December, our whole civil team has conducted the analysis. On the basis of that analysis, we have asked so many students. So they have given us some topics from which the questions were asked. So these all things I will be discussing in this video. So guys, first of all, the number of seats, particularly if I say for civil engineering, is 10. Okay guys, in HPCL, usually the number of seats of civil engineering is not that much. Okay, usually in Engineers India Limited and Coal India Limited, the number of seats are more. Of course, in government sector like state service commissions and engineering services, civil is always on the highest with a very huge lead. But yes, in HPCL, always guys, the number of seats are not that much. In ISRO also, number of seats are not that much for civil, like the government exams and Coal India Limited. So number of seats this time is only 10 guys. Now if I talk about the pattern guys, in 2.5 hours, that is 150 minutes, you have to solve 170 questions. Every question will be of 1 marks. Negative marking is 1/3. Okay, so 170 questions, 170 marks, and out of this 170 guys, 85 questions will be technical. Okay, I'll be giving you the distribution of those 85 questions also for the last 3 years. 85 will be non-technical of reasoning, aptitude and English. Okay, as per the last year guys, this year the detailed guidelines are yet to come. You have to score at least 50% here in the technical, okay, to going to the next stage, that is the group task, and then the final stage will be the interview. So there is no minimum cutoff here in this 85, but in this 85 there is a minimum cutoff of 50%, and overall the cutoff should be 60%. The minimum qualifying marks 60% for general and EWS, and for other categories it is 54%. Now if I talk about the 2023 cutoff guys, then for civil engineers the cutoff out of 170 marks is for 18 seats was 142, for 142 for general, 136 for EWS, 140 for OBC, 137 and 135 for SC/ST. This time guys, as the number of seats are 10, so if the paper comes of the same level, then guys the cutoff will be increased by a slight 2 to 3% variation may be expected. Of course, if the paper is tough, it can even go below this. Now guys, this is very important. This nobody will be telling you guys. Guys, in last 3 years, the paper were conducted, and if I talk about the high weightage subjects, then guys, in all these 3 years, it has been observed that soil, survey, transportation, environment, fluid mechanics, these are the subjects which were always with high weightage, either it is 21, 22 or 23. See, total there will be 170 questions. So out of 85 questions, alone soil will be 15, that is 14, I am taking any random year, let me take in 2023 only, recent, 12, okay, 6, 10. So 22, 28 and 28 and 9 is 37, okay, 12, 22, 28 and 9 is 37. So out of 85 questions guys, almost 37 questions, okay, that is almost 45% if I am correct, is only from these 5 subjects. Okay, there are other subjects where the weightage is low in every year, like hydrology you can see, irrigation, PERT CPM is either 0 question or 1 question. Okay, engineering mechanics, these are the questions in which usually less weightage is asked. Then you can say that RCC and SOM is mediocre level. Okay, so this is the weightage analysis guys. It is not 100% that it will be followed like same, but yes guys, more or less the high weightage subjects will be high weightage subjects, the less weightage subjects will be less weightage subjects, exception may be 1 or 2. Okay, yes, in high weightage subjects which will be high, that will be not predicted earlier. Now guys, in 2023, okay, 23rd December the exam was there, 23rd December 2023, our whole team has conducted the analysis, on the basis of which it has been observed that in English the questions were asked for synonym, passage, sentence, rearrangement and fill in the blanks. In quantitative, the very easy questions were from, calculation wise bit tough, but concept wise not difficult. Profit percentage, age, speed and trigonometry. From survey, the questions were for traversing, that is latitude and departure and error. Fluid mechanics, OCF, it is asked from the critical depth question. SOM, torque and normal stress, that is oblique stress or transformational stress, the questions were asked. From highway engineering, guys, the side distance, geometric design, these questions were asked. From PERT, they have not asked, either I guess 1 or 2 questions were there, and that is only on the basis of full form. Okay, float and slack, these things are not asked. In environment, the questions were asked from ASP, activated cell process, sedimentation and BOD. Soil mechanics, the questions were from friction pile and negative skin friction. From RCC, guys, the questions were asked stresses in concrete, axial compressive strain in concrete, IS code and limiting depth of neutral axis. Engineering mechanics, CG of solid cone were asked, okay, CG of hollow cone and L sections. Okay, I hope guys this video is very beneficial for you. If you want to connect us, then guys, these are our numbers. If you want to connect me personally, guys, this is my mail ID and this is my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, I hope guys these kind of videos are very beneficial for you. This short and crisp and to the point videos, guys. I hope you enjoyed this session, guys. If you have any other query regarding HPCL or regarding other exams, please let me know on the comment sections. Thank you.